Hey guys, this is Margarita with CityGal Papeterie. I wanted to pop in and just give you guys a huge thank you for subscribing to my channel, for visiting, for watching my videos. We have reached the 1,000 subscriber mark and I am so extremely excited and so extremely thankful. And I wanted to show that gratitude by hosting a giveaway. There are a few rules that I wanted to just emphasize. You do have to be 18 years or over. I'm going to be including all of the details down below as well as on my blog, so please visit there if you have any questions or want to look at the details of how to enter. There are going to be 4 different ways of entering, and I went on my stats and I looked at all of the countries that you guys are visiting from or viewing from, and I was completely blown away to see that you guys are coming to watch from all over the world, which is why I'm going to be making this an international giveaway. So it will be open to US as well as international, and I want to be able to give everyone an opportunity to enter. All of the dates for the entries will be below as well and on the blog. And I also wanted to just quickly apologize for not posting as often as I had been before. As many of you know, if you're familiar with my channel, I did have a baby recently and I am back at work from maternity leave. It went by really quickly, but yeah, so I don't have as much time to create or to record or edit, especially to do audio. So I'm going to continue to work on projects and try and get them out there as soon as I can, because I do have a lot more things that I want to share with you, and I'm always so excited to get the comments and the reactions from you guys. I'm so thankful for all of your support, for all of the likes and everything else, and especially for the viewers and the subscribers. I didn't think I'd even get to 100 subscribers when I started this, so this is a really exciting point for me. It's really exciting for me to have reached 1,000 subscribers. Actually, I think it's surpassed 1,000 subscribers at this point. One other really important thing that is going to be part of the giveaway is that you do have to be a subscriber, but you have to be a public subscriber. This is the only way that I'm going to be able to actually see who you are. I can't see or view the private subscribers if you've chosen not to reveal, your identity, which is fine. But unfortunately I won't be able to track those names, so you do have to be a public subscriber in order to enter into the giveaway. And I hope I didn't miss anything, but you will definitely find all of the information below as well as on the blog. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content that I've been able to provide so far, and I hope to continue to provide content to you guys whenever I can. I really love and enjoy creating. It just keeps me happy and joyful, and I want to be able to share that with you all. It is very exciting to have a community of people who enjoy doing what I do as well. That's one of the biggest reasons that I even started this channel. It was to be able to be part of a community of creative people, and I'm so happy where this has been going and where it's headed, and I hope to continue at this rate. So please, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to include that in the comments below, in the comment section below. You might be able to find some answers to those questions on the blog. I will try and get as detailed as I could be, and I hope to see you guys again at my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Bye.